Good Sunday evening. We saw the last day of calm weather across central Alabama for the next several days because we have a big change coming later in the next few hours. Highs from earlier today ranging anywhere between the upper 70s to mid to lower 80s. Right now, satellite showing seeing some clouds building in across central Alabama, as well as some isolated showers just to our south, and are slowly making their way here. That's coming off of Hurricane Irma right now. It made landfall earlier today in Naples, Florida. Right now, it's still a Category 2 hurricane as it moves up the Florida Peninsula, where it is battering the state, bringing immense amounts of rainfall as well as very strong winds and very high storm surge. Some areas seeing 10 to 15 feet of storm surge. That's more than a one-story building of wall moving into the coast of Florida. Watches a warning across Alabama, that tan color a wind advisory, the maroon color being a tropical storm warning, and the pink color for northern Alabama, including Coleman County, being a tropical storm watch. Further down to Florida, though, we're currently watching a tornado watch as well as a hurricane warning, and some of those light reds, very hard to see it on the east coast. Where we're also seeing a flood warning is right now a tornado warning, and we've seen numerous tornado warnings across Florida throughout the day today, and it looks like they're going to be getting several more of those through the overnight hours. Looking at the track over the next several days, Irma is going to continue moving towards the north as it weakens. In the next several hours, we'll see it weaken to a Category 1 and then downgrade to a tropical storm. It'll still likely be classified as a tropical storm when it moves into central Alabama, before it weakens into a tropical depression when it's over top of us. Looking into early tomorrow morning, we're going to start seeing the first little outer bands of rain moving into central Alabama, as well as a couple of thunderstorms, and it's going to be lasting throughout the day. Lots of rain, lots of thunderstorms, as well as very gusty winds. Those will be lasting throughout Monday in through the overnight hours, because here we are midnight going into early Tuesday morning, still seeing showers and storms. But once we start getting into Tuesday, we start seeing less storms and just more general showers across central Alabama. And those will last throughout the day, Tuesday being fairly scattered for more southern central Alabama rather than the widespread that we'll see for northern central Alabama. Even as we start getting into early Wednesday morning, still seeing some lingering showers. Peak wind gusts, likely going to see some for eastern central Alabama up to around 60 miles per hour. Then once we start getting more towards the Birmingham, Tuscaloosa areas, we're going to see those between 35 and 50 miles per hour. And even further west we go, we're going to see those gusts even less, only 10 to 35 miles per hour. But our sustained winds, so this is going to be constant, we'll be seeing them obviously less potent, only 35 to 50 miles per hour for eastern Alabama, and western Alabama seeing 0 to 35 miles per hour for sustained winds. So definitely a windy day on tap for Monday as well as early Tuesday. Looking at our rain forecast amounts, East Alabama going to see the greatest total, 3 to 4 inches, and the further west you go, the lesser you'll see. Some parts of Ringgold and Sumter County might not even see an inch of rain. And as for our extended forecast, Irma bringing lots of rain in for Monday and Tuesday, but once we start getting to Wednesday, we're just going to see some lingering showers, and as well as for Thursday. Notice that our highs both Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be dramatically cooler. It's because that winds out of the northeast to start off Monday, and then just so much cloud cover. We're not going to be able to get any sunshine to do any daytime heating. But once we finally get to Friday, temperature is back on a warming trend because we're going to finally see sunshine returning, and the weather will finally turn back to about what we saw the past several days.